Imagine this. You're a real estate agent juggling a mountain of tasks every single day. You've got open houses to prepare for, listings to manage, and clients to meet. But there's one thing that seems to consume your time more than anything else: lead generation. You spend hours making phone calls, sending emails, and hoping for a response, only to hear crickets. Sound familiar? 8 in 10 Americans are rejecting or ignoring phone calls from businesses or unknown numbers. That's right, 8 in 10. It's like shouting into a void. But here's the kicker. When asked about texting, the same people described it as quick, easy, and convenient. A whopping 74% said they would respond to a text message from a business within an hour. So, what does this tell us? It tells us that the way we communicate has fundamentally shifted, and if you're still relying on outdated methods, you're missing out on a goldmine of opportunities. Enter AI Leo, the lead engagement optimizer. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, always ready to engage with potential clients, 24/7. AI. Leo isn't just another chatbot. It's a sophisticated system designed to warm up leads, answer questions, and help potential clients book appointments. Think about it. While you're busy with a client or catching some much-needed rest, AI Leo is out there, engaging with your leads, providing them with the information they need, and guiding them toward that crucial first appointment. You might be wondering, how does this work? Well, AI Leo is programmed to understand natural language, which means it can have real conversations with people. It can answer questions about properties, provide information on the buying process, and even send reminders for appointments. The best part? It does all of this in a friendly, engaging manner that feels personal. Imagine a lead coming in at midnight, curious about a property. Instead of waiting until morning for a response, they get immediate answers and can book an appointment right then and there. This isn't just about convenience, it's about optimizing your workflow. By automating those repetitive tasks, like answering the same questions over and over again, you free up your time to focus on what really matters: building relationships and closing deals. Think of all the hours you could save by letting AI Leo handle the initial engagement. You could spend that time nurturing your existing clients, strategizing your next marketing campaign, or even taking a well-deserved break. But let's not overlook the emotional aspect. In a world where people are constantly bombarded with information, the ability to connect with potential clients in a way that feels genuine is invaluable. AI. Leo isn't just a faceless machine. It's your partner in creating a seamless experience for your leads. It helps you establish trust before you even meet them. So, if you're still stuck in the old ways of lead generation, it's time to embrace the future. By integrating AI Leo into your business, you're not just keeping up with the competition, you're setting yourself apart. You're showing potential clients that you value their time and their preferences. You're transforming the way you do business, making it more efficient, effective, and ultimately more enjoyable. If you want to optimize your real estate lead generation, it's time to automate those repetitive tasks with AI. Let AI Leo do the heavy lifting while you focus on what you do best: building relationships and closing deals. The future of real estate is here, and it's time to step into it with confidence. Leo is designed to turbocharge your response and booking rates. With an astonishing 42% average response rate and 30% average booking rate, Leo is your reliable partner in achieving consistent success. Don't miss this chance. Test drive Leo for 10 days, risk-free. For just $497 monthly thereafter, experience firsthand how Leo revolutionizes your operations. Plus, you're covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee, making it a decision with nothing to lose. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and follow the link in the description to harness the power of AI to drive your success story forward.